guys, another video. It's pretty much nighttime. We're going to be setting off fireworks. I know you can't see that well. We're in a random place where nobody lives. It's like abandoned. Just a tiny road. People are going to build houses soon, and it's very short.
You ready, Adrian?
Okay, guys, we're going to be setting off fireworks.
You're going to have to go high with the video.
And so, yeah. It's going. Whoa, that was cool,
You
guys.
better let them off fast before people call the cops.
That actually scared me. Mommy. Someone's going to call the cops. No!
These are legal, though.
What?
They're legal.
Yeah, of course fireworks are illegal.
No, these are legal, which means they're allowed. There are some that are illegal.
Whoa, we're spinning. Wait, daylight. That's cool. But what if it's shot over there?
Get ready. Here you go.
Why, Daddy, before you light off the night, come on, Kai. We just light it off, too.
I don't go, but I have no shoes.
It's okay. Hold on, Daddy. Kylie's going to come.
Back.
Can I sit on top?
There you go, open up the
No,
back.
you can sit in the back.
Oh, like in here. How do you open it? Okay, guys, hold on. Hold on, guys. I'm going to sit in here, too. Watch out.
Here it goes.
Whoa, guys, this is cool.
I can't see it.
That was great.
I can't see it when it blows up.
You have to stay right here, where I am. Right here.
You knew where we were going. I don't know why you didn't get shoes.
I couldn't find them. We were looking.
You had just taken them off.
Actually,
I know, but I couldn't find them.
I sit on the road.
I guess next time put them where you know where
Actually, I'm going to sit on the hay.
Don't sit on the hay. It's wet. Just stand. You'll be fine.
Wait, hold on, I'm going over here. Wait, hold on, guys.
Here it goes. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Oh.
That freaking scared me.
I know the first time it
thought
scares
we had a
me.
gun that was going to explode.
I know,
the
right? It
canister.
looked like it was taking a sec.
Well, at least I was far away from that.
It had a longer wick because it was sticking out further than
Okay. I was waiting for the canister to
the other. No,
explode.
I started to get a little nervous too. I was like, oh shit.
You know, you should hide behind the porta potty. I mean, if you needed to.
Well, you don't know if you need to.
Yeah, if it started going
Nope.
like that, you better just...
Maybe you should run that direction just in case.
Well, guys, I know it's dark, but we're going to have to deal with it. In my eyesight, in real life, it looks much better. There it is.
Daddy, hide behind it. Never mind.
Oh,
Whoa! It was pretty.
I like the red.
Yeah, I keep getting scared. And why does that
too.
thing keep getting knocked over? Molly, can you hold my camera? I'm gonna go over.
No, you're not.
I'm just gonna go check it out before Daddy lights it off.
Why?